first. What about the mouthwash? Oh, yeah, take it. Aubrey, can you pass me the mouthwash? I need my cream on.
Yeah.
More. How many pieces? This much. What? Hey guys, it's Aubrey and Dawson, and welcome back to our channel. And today, Austin's going to copy me for 24 hours. Now, first thing I want to do is get breakfast, because I'm literally starving. My tummy's growling like a lion. Okay, let's go. What do you think I would have for breakfast? Oh, no. No! Well, you have to eat what I have. First, Austin, we need an egg. We open the refrigerator. Two. Let the two people do it. Yeah. Hardest thing ever. Now, you crack an egg, Austin. You put the shell in. Fork. Shoot. Now. You ready? I am done with the eggs. Technically, this is also supposed to copy me, but there's no more eggs, so I guess I'm making breakfast today. Okay. I feel got them open.
Wow!
Why can Aubrey do it? Why can Aubrey do it?
When you turn 5.
This one looks interesting. Last one. Okay. I made them. Now I need to get the oven ready. So, I need to I feel the wind of it. Warm up the oven, and then we have to put these croissants in there. I feel I got potatoes, and they block off. Ow! Ready. Now what do we do with those? Cut up. We need one more time. I'm scared.
It's my last 2 slimes. This one has eyeballs in it as well.
Oh, man, come down here and get this.
What?
No, my phone.
My plate needs a bagel.
Oh, look at that.
It also needs some bacon.
Just one.
And
Here, look at this cute little jelly. It's super fluffy. But it's not done. It's going to go in the refrigerator for 20 minutes and we'll check back on it later. For our next slug test, we're going to use some...
ready? Comment down below if you have ever made this. Subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!